Hello everyone. So students, in our previous session we were doing lifelines of Indian economy. So let's continue with the same topic today. So today we are going to start up with the topic of communication. So let's get started. So what is communication according to you? Communication according to me, it simply means exchange of views and ideas. It can be personal communication, it can be mass communication. Personal communication क्या होगा? If there is the exchange of views and ideas which is going on between two individuals, तो उसको क्या बोलोगे? इट कैन बी टर्म्ड एज पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. और एक साथ हम कोई भी चीज़ बहुत सारे सिटीजन्स के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, a group of people that is there, if we are communicating it with through those, then it would be termed as what? Then it would be termed as mass communication. So since the time immemorial, what happened? Different means of communication that have been used by humans, and with the pace of change, what happened? Long distance communication, it is far easier without any physical movement of communicator or रिसीवर. इसको देखो ऐसे भी देख सकते हो. एट प्रेजेंट डे what is the situation? Everywhere there is the situation of coronavirus. Pandemic is there. So what we are doing? With the help of this communication only we are able to communicate with each other, na? With the help of means of communication. ठीक है, you are sitting at your home, we are sitting at some different place, and over there what is the situation? We are able to communicate with each other. Now let's talk about the types of communication, that is personal communication and mass communication. So in terms of personal communication, if we are talking, it is the means of communication through which what happens? Only personal messages those are exchanged between two people. ठीक है, पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन अभी मैंने बताया था ना क्या होगा? इट विल बी देयर बिटवीन टू पीपल. तो इट इज़ द एक्सचेंज ऑफ मैसेजेस बिटवीन टू people. And on the other hand, mass communication, it is the means of communication through which one can communicate with several other people at the same time. Now, in terms of personal communication, these can be used by an individual for personal activities. But on the other hand, if we are talking about mass communication, so these can be used by the government to create awareness among the people about the programs and the policies. Now let's talk about the example of these two. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन की अगर एग्जाम्पल्स की बात करें तो इट इज़ टेलीफोन, मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, पोस्टल सर्विसेज, पोस्ट कार्ड्स. इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दैट आर रेडियो, टेलीविज़न, न्यूज़पेपर. ठीक है, एक साथ बल्क में अगर आप कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए ईजी फील कर रहे हैं तब उसको क्या बोलेंगे? दैट इज़ टर्म्ड एज मास कम्युनिकेशन. In terms of Indian postal network, now let's talk about that. So if we are talking about Indian postal network, it is the largest in the world and it handles the personal as well as personal written communication. Now let's talk about the channels. Personal mails, those can be classified into two channels, that is the first class mail and the second class mail. Now what all are included in the first class mails and second class mails? Let's discuss that. In terms of first class mail, if we are talking, so it involves personal letters, envelopes. In terms of second class mail, if we are talking about, so it usually involves book packets, newspapers, periodicals, parcels. First class mails, those are lightweight somewhat, and second class mails वो क्या होते हैं? Those are heavy in weight as compared to the first class mails. First class mails, they will be usually airlifted between the stations, which can be covering both land and air. In terms of second class mail, it can be carried by surface mail covering land and water transport. देखो लाइट वेट है तो उसको क्या कर सकते हो? एयर लिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो. but second class mails, those are heavy in weight, so those can be taken from one place to another either through land route or the water. In terms of first class mails, those are having faster routes. Examples of those are Rajdhani and Metro. And in terms of second class, that is bulk mail channel, business periodical. Actually क्या है देखो यहाँ पे for the quicker delivery, what is the situation? 6 mail channels those have been introduced. Which are those 6 mail channels? One is the Rajdhani channel, another one is the Metro channel, then it's the green channel, business channel, then bulk mail channel and the periodical channel. ऐसे ही फॉर द फास्टर कोरियर, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस तक लेके जाना है मेल्स को, फॉर दैट फास्टर डिलीवरी दैट इज़ नीडेड. तो फास्टर डिलीवरी कोरियर सर्विसेज के अगर अंदर बात करें तो कौन कौन से हैं? दैट इज़ DTDC, ब्लू डार्ट एंड फेडेक्स. दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. सिर्फ यही नहीं है, इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे. दीज आर जस्ट द फ्यू ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स रिलेटेड टू दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अबाउट first class mails and second class mails. Now in this slide you are going to see some of the examples associated with telecommunication. In terms of telecommunication now, तो telephones those have came before mails. ये तो पता ही है ना, telephones पहले आए थे as compared to mails और ये सारी चीज़ें तो कब आई? with the introduction of internet. जब इंटरनेट नहीं था तब उस टाइम पे क्या यूज़ करते थे as the means of communication? that was telephone. अब देखो यहाँ पे कुछ ईयर्स अटैच कर रखे हैं. दैट इज़ 1975 में क्या हुआ? डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकॉम वॉज established. A year decade later after that, what happened? MTNL that has come up. What is this MTNL? MTNL is actually the सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, टेलीफोन से रिलेटेड जो सर्विस, जैसे आप लोगों ने सुना होगा अबाउट BSNL, ऐसे ही MTNL है. 1995 में क्या हुआ? ट्राई दैट हैज़ बीन रेगुलेटेड. व्हाट इज़ दिस ट्राई? दैट इज़ टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. और ये क्या करता है? इट इज़ देयर टू रेगुलेट द टेलीकॉम services and its main objective is to reduce the interference of government in deciding the tariffs and policy making. 1 अक्टूबर 2000 को क्या हुआ? अ न्यू पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग दैट इज़ भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड. अभी मैंने बताया कि BSNL, आप लोगों ने ये ज़्यादा सुना होगा एज कम्पेयर टू MTNL, दैट हैज़ टेकन प्लेस फॉर द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन. फिर इसी के साथ साथ में क्या हुआ? STD. What does this STD stands for? Subscribers trunk dialing. 2/3 of the villages those are covered by this subscriber trunk dialing. And at the same time ISD is there, that is for international subscriber dialing. That is first through exchange, then remove the direct call connected by country code. Means अगर डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के बीच में कनेक्शन डेवलप करना है विद द मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, तो वो कैसे पॉसिबल है? इट इज़ डन थ्रू ISD. ऐसे ही होता है PCO, दैट इज़ पब्लिक कॉल ऑफिस. ऑल द विलेजेस दोज वर कनेक्टेड बाय दिस सर्विसेज. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा STD बूथ्स अब तो कम हो गए हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि अब क्या हुआ है? मोबाइल फ़ोन्स दोज आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. बट जब मोबाइल फ़ोन्स नहीं थे तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट एट वेरियस प्लेसेस दीज STD बूथ्स दोज वर देयर. अभी भी होते हैं बट दे आर लेस इन नंबर नाउ. और ये STD बूथ्स करते क्या है? दीज मेक दिस STD कॉल्स, ISTD कॉल्स एंड PCO कॉल्स ईजियर फॉर द citizens. Another thing after this that we are going to discuss is mass communication. This is the topic that we are going to discuss in next session. So thank you.